Explore how climate change is altering the colors of our world, from flooded rivers to autumn leaves. After torrential rain, rivers in Vermont overflowed, turning the water murky and brown. Climate change is making such floods more frequent as warmer air holds more moisture. Deep-sea divers in the Dominican Republic describe changes in ocean hues due to climate change. Colors like purple, yellow, and chocolate indicate water conditions and impact sea life. Warmer nighttime temperatures are causing autumn leaves in New England to become duller. Chlorophyll's degradation process slows down, affecting the vibrant colors we're used to. Satellite images show the Arctic getting greener, but some parts are turning brown. Flowers are increasing their ultraviolet pigments to protect against rising temperatures.